The photographer team this. Jesus Christ, this is she. See what I say? He said it.
Is it? How many? 12?
Yeah.
This is a little package. I'm gonna have to go to the hospital.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Show me time on but pressure bus pipe.
The photographer team this. Jesus Christ, this is she. See what I say? He said it.
Is it?
A vlog, Shabbat?
Yes.
YouTube vlog?
Yes.
Ready? Yeah, you want to make sure they have money ready.
Cut! I am officially starting the vlog here. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So, we're at Martha Brae River. So that's where we reach here. I don't really know either. But yeah, I'm just tired. And the water looks very deep. You know, we're not going in there. I don't care if they call me boring. I'm not going. The salt always slip and bust my head. Now they pan it, swear to God. I was gonna say something else. Actually, I'm not gonna start the vlog here, but let's just go with the flow. Alright? Okay. Alright guys. Here's the tea. I think I'll explain this later on in the video, but for right now, I'm gonna work out. Yeah, this is the 1,069th time I'm going to start working out and hope that I don't stop because of demotivation. Excuse my morning voice. It is sometimes deeper than my actual voice, which you guys know is very high pitched. Yeah, I have been out of it, and I know that exercise is a stress reliever for me, and I have not been doing it because my trainer isn't here, and it makes me very depressed that he's not here because I do not trust other trainers. I don't trust men, and I'm not going to a gym where men can harass me, so I'm gonna stay home. Friend of mama broke. So I'll stay home, and I decided to shoot him a text and ask him if he can keep me company while I exercise. That will be motivation for me, because the last time I trained with him I gained 9 pounds. Even though it wasn't very visible, I gained 9 pounds, and then I lost it within a week when I stopped because I was depressed and I wasn't eating, wasn't keeping up with it. But anyways, that's besides the point. We're going to work out today. Don't know if I really show you guys that process because my room, yeah, no. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, I'm going to get ready. I have some resistance bands. This is the resistance band that I'll be using when I'm doing my little squatty squats. Yeah, I just like I don't have a yoga mat. I wanted one, but I just never get on. So I'm gonna use my mat with the ground. I'm going to change and get started. So if you don't see that scene, then you'll see me afterwards and we'll have a little chatty chat. Should I use this?
No, not yet. You can leave that alone for now.
Wow, not yet. I really am gonna die. Okay. How many? 12?
Yeah.
This is half?
Yeah, that's half. Then they come up and then they go all the way down.
Jesus. Oh, wow.
There we go.
I am so lightheaded right now. I feel very nauseous. I genuinely want to throw up, but I will not force myself to throw up because I haven't eaten, and I know I'm just gonna make it bad for myself, and after I throw up I will not have any energy whatsoever to go and make something for myself to eat. So I had to stop working out like after I started the second set, because I just couldn't. I really and truly just couldn't, and I'm actually not mad about it. My trainer him understand, and I'm telling me if I go eat something. I told him that probably I'll finish it later. I might actually just finish it later for real, because I actually want to, you know, be able to say I finished the workout. But if I don't get to finish it, I am fine with that, because my issue was starting. My issue is never following through. I just needed to start, and I just picked myself up today and I started, and that is really what I wanted to do. I really wanted to get back into working out, but I'm always a start and stop. But I am going to try. I'm really going to try to just, you know, work my way up. I genuinely don't think I can do 4 sets of those workouts, because it is honestly a lot. It really is a lot. I genuinely can't manage. But I told myself that I'd probably start off with maybe 1 or 2 sets and work my way up to see how much I can, you know, how much I can take on. Sorry. I really feel like I want to throw up right now, and I'm just trying so hard to hold it back. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Initially I was actually going to post this video after after I got into the routine, but I feel like I'm actually going to post this and use this video to keep myself accountable and hold myself to it, that I'm actually going to continue. So yeah, I am going to make boiled egg. I'm going to make a boiled egg sandwich. I've always wanted to try avocado toast, but I don't have none right now. I don't have avocados. I have the bread, but you know, I'm just gonna make a boiled egg sandwich and call it a day. And then I'm gonna film. I'm going to film a haul that I should have done a long time ago. And then I'm going to edit intros. So yeah, we'll see what happens as the day goes by. So yeah. So guys, this is my breakfast. It's just toast with egg and cheese in it, and then I had leftover boiled eggs. I really like black pepper, so yeah, that and salt on it, and that is my breakfast. And I'm gonna have my water, and yeah. All right, people. So I don't remember what I told you guys earlier. I think the last thing I vlogged was me making, no, I showed you guys my breakfast, which was the boiled egg sandwich, correct? I think so. After I did that, then I got ready to do my haul. By the time this video goes up, that haul will be up. So it's a lovely wholesale haul. I really like this set of clothes. The set of clothes I did better than the first. I did my hair and makeup on live. I didn't feel like doing that in a video because I want to play music when I get ready, and I'm not about to get copyrighted by YouTube just because I want to hear some good music in my ears when I get ready. You understand? Yeah. But as I'm gonna show y'all, I got a little package. I got a little package from Diamond Suitcase. Oh, this is so cute. Will it focus on it? There you go. From Diamond Suitcase. On Instagram, their name is Diamond Suitcase _ EST 2020. Girl, I named it long. You need to do something about that. But yeah. So let's see what's in there. Let's see like this. You take a look at time outs for the packaging. Yeah, girl, that's nice. Ooh, lashes. Ooh, these are cute. These are cute. Hold on. Me love a good lash. I love a good lash. This is what the lashes look like. Hold on, make a Yeah, I have to try it. All right. I like that. Yeah, I like that. That's for the lashes. It's two different lash styles, by the way. This one seems to be thicker than this one. You see what I mean? No? Okay. I think this is a necklace. Okay. So I got a layered necklace. Let me just open it and try it. I think it's a necklace. I feel dunks now. Ooh, oh, this is cute. This is cute. Wait, I could layer this nicely. It's different. I've never really worn like necklaces like this, but this is what the necklace looks like. Make assume I want a necklace. Suppose I don't want a necklace. Suppose I want fancy something. I'm supposed to go buy my food or something. Make it feel real dunks. Okay, and I got a money top. Dollar bills, y'all. Dollar bills. I gotta try this on. BRB. Alright. It's a nice little money. It's not a turtleneck, it's like a mock neck. Long sleeve crop top. I like this. I actually like this. At first, like having it in my hand, I was kinda like you know, because I wear solid colors, and if I do wear anything that's like pattern, it'll be like an animal print, a very light animal print, or a tie-dye, but nothing like this. So I would have to see how I would style it, but it's really comfortable and it is an extra small. It fits me very well. There is no loose ends. The only loose parts would probably be Yasso, because you know I don't have the facilities for that. You know, I'd probably wear it as a bathing suit top. I'm not gonna lie. This would look nice on the beach side. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Yeah. This is a headband by the look and feel of it. Ooh, I always wanted one of these, but I just always thought that at first, like initially, I thought they were like too bulky. I really did think that they were too bulky, and then they would look weird on my head. But let's see. Just pretend I don't have on gold jewelry because this is silver. And I don't think it will. I don't know if it's gonna really go well with this wig, but it feels really nice. It feels heavy. But like when things feel heavy. I don't like when things feel too light, because if it feels too light, I'm gonna think it's gonna break, or it's like extremely cheap quality, and I don't like that. This got a little weight to it, and that is what I like. So you know, I see the girlies be wearing it like this. I ain't gonna lie, this don't look bad. This don't look bad. If I had on my lashes, then this would be, talk about looks. Is this not a look? I think this is a look. I might try it one day. Girl, look nice. So this is what it looks like up close. Oh no, excuse my wig. I tried. Anyways, this is what the headband looks like up close. I like it. I love it. This could be an Instagram worthy picture right here. I have one last thing in this bag, and that will be the end of this mini haul. I don't have any bags. Like, if you see me go out, I'll shock you. Because a girl have enough space in your bag. I'm not carrying a bag. I'm not a bag. Nothing. So it is a silver. Ooh, what's it? Catch reflection. Ooh, the zipper is rainbow, and this is, ooh, the chain is rainbow. That is such a nice touch. But I tape something, man. I cut this off. I like that it has a part. Sometimes them bag are tricky, you know, it might have a zipper and there's nothing there to put anything in. So let me see if this will trick me. Oh, there's actually space for me to put something there. So you open it up. Okay. I like this. It's different. This is the whole outfit right here. So anywho, Yes, these are all from Diamond Suitcase. They are located in Maypen, but don't worry, if you're in Kingston or any other parish, nuts for delivery is available, or is it mail? So don't worry, just make sure you go on their Instagram. I'll put it here on the screen once again for y'all coming on all the earring, and a lot of y'all are visual learners. So yeah, make sure you go over there and support girls, support local brands. And she was very nice. She was very nice when she was sending the stuff. Make sure you go shop. And what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do for the rest of the day? People, me not gonna lie. The whole time I sit down and so my toe curl up, because right before I turn on the camera, I lick up my toe, I slam my toe in this door, and it has been hurting. It is throbbing. It is now swollen. I'm gonna have to go to the hospital. I'll probably continue this vlog tomorrow, maybe not. Maybe this is the end of the vlog. Okay, so if it is the end of the vlog, thank you for watching this vlog. Let me know if you like vlogs. If you've gotten this far in this vlog, make sure you comment a money sign, period. Until next time, and I'm Shelby signing out. Watch out, watch the tag. But I don't know if you know, so the clothes new girl. Anyways, bye.